In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix a LinkedIn login problem like this. When you want to log in on your LinkedIn profile, you face this problem. Your no captcha user response code is missing or invalid. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem in a minute. So let's get started. First, I want to pick the image that is the correct way up. So this is correct picture, and this is also, and this is number 3 option, and finally this is the 4 step. I select 4 answer is right, but this is a problem again working this way. You can see my verification are not successful because of many hidden problem, but I will show you how to fix this. First, go to sign up in. Just click on sign in, then type your Gmail, then click on forget password, then again click on your Gmail. So just click on next button, then go to your Gmail, because LinkedIn sent you a code number on your email box. So you can see this is my verification code. So I again go on LinkedIn. So just click on submit, then check your LinkedIn app. We send a notification to your sign in device. When your LinkedIn app is type yes, confirm your password reset accept. Check your LinkedIn app. So go your mobile phone. When you click yes button on your mobile phone, then you got this is a dashboard. So keep in mind your work are already done. You need to choose a new password here. So I want to select a password, a strong password. Your password has been changed. Just go to LinkedIn. You can see my LinkedIn login are successfully done. So if you have found this video helpful, please like and subscribe this channel. And if you have any questions, I again repeat, any questions, please free to let me ask in comment section. See you next video. Take care. Goodbye.